Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a carousel post in Canva for Instagram. Let's get started. First, open your Canva app and make sure you're logged into your account. In the Canva dashboard, go to the search bar at the top and type in Instagram post. Once the results appear, you'll see a variety of templates you can choose from. If you'd prefer to start from scratch, click on Create a blank Instagram post, and that's what we'll do in this example. You'll be taken to the Canva creator. This blank canvas represents your first slide of the carousel. Let's say you want to create a carousel post featuring animals. Go to the Elements tab and search for animals. Or if you have your own photos, you can upload them using the Uploads tab. Choose an image and drag it onto the canvas, resize and position it however you like. To add text, simply click on the Text tab and insert a heading or body text. For example, label the first slide as cat. Once your first slide is ready, click Duplicate Page to create the second slide of your carousel. Now replace the image. For example, change it from a cat to a butterfly, and update the text to match. Repeat this process for as many slides as you'd like. For example, your third slide might feature a dog. Just duplicate the previous page, change the image, and update the text. Once you are happy with your slides, click the Share button at the top right, then click Download. Choose either PNG or JPEG format. Both work well for Instagram. Then click Download to save the images to your device. Now go to your Instagram app and upload the images as a carousel post, selecting multiple images when posting. Instagram will automatically display them in a swipeable format. And that's how you create a carousel post in Canva. Quick, easy, and perfect for engaging your Instagram audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.